Okay. Again, so let's try to find the area of an irregular shape. Mark out a piece of fabric to patch his jacket. The shaded portion in the following model represents the piece that Mark cut. So this little part right here is the part that he cut. The question is, what is the area of the fabric that was left after he cut it? So I need to know what is the area of what is not shaded, this part over here. Okay. So there's two ways that I can do it. Like we've seen before, what can I do to find the area of this piece? What would be the first thing? I can add. If I want to add, what would I have to do with my shape? No. I need to cut it. Not half, but I have to cut it to find two rectangles or rectangles and squares like this. So I could find the area of the first piece, I can find the area of the second piece, and then I could add those two pieces. Okay, so let's do that. I need to find the area 1, I need to find area 2. But also before I find area 2, I need to find these two pieces or these two sides that are missing. To do that, I need to remember that the whole length of this rectangle measures 16. And if this piece measures 8, the other side has to measure 8. And on this side, if the whole thing measures 14, and this is 8, this little part has to be 6 inches. Okay, so I want to find area 1. Area 1 is length times width. So area 1 is, what's the length for area 1? Would I use 16 or would I use 8? 8, because 16 is the whole thing, includes 8 and 1 and 2. So I only need this piece, which is 8. So the length is 8 times. What's the width of area 1? Did I cut this part? 14. Did I cut it? Yes. Did you cut it? No. So I can use the whole thing. So it's 18 times 14. So area 1 is 8 times 10 is 80. And 8 times 4 is 8 times 4 is 32, and 80 plus 32, 2, and 8 plus 3, 11. So area 1 is 112 square inches. Now I can find area 2. Area 2 is length times width. So area 2 is, what's the length for area 2? Would it be 16? No. 8. It's what it's on the other side. 8. 8 times, what's the width of this area 2? No, 6 is the piece that it was cut.
14.
Area 2 is also 8. It's a square. If you notice, it's a square. So if the length is 8, the width on this side, it's right here. It's also 8. So area 2 is 8 times 8. 64 square inches. So now that I know area 1 and I know area 2, I simply have to add. So my total area is area 1 plus area 2. So the total area is, area 1 is 112, area 2 is 64. So the total area is 112 plus 64.
Teacher, please excuse this interruption. Ms. Kane, if you're in the building, please come to the office. Ms. Kane, if you're in the building, please come to the office.
112 plus 62 is?
174. 76.
6 square inches.